How to delete WhatsApp account just like this. All right, so follow these steps carefully. Launch the app on your device. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner for Android, or go to the bottom right for iOS and select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Account. Delete my account. Select Delete my account. Input your phone number in full international format, including the country code. You will be prompted to choose a reason for deleting your account from a drop-down menu. Finally, tap on Delete my account to confirm the action. You may need to tap it again for final confirmation. Keep in mind that deleting your account is irreversible. This action will erase your message history, remove you from all groups, and delete any backups associated with your account. It may take up to 90 days for WhatsApp to fully delete your information from their servers, although copies may remain in backup storage for compliance reasons. If contacts still see you after deletion, they should restart WhatsApp to refresh their contact list. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.